In this video, I'm going to show you how to check who has viewed your Facebook profile. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you got to do is go to your Firefox or any other web browser. Go to your Facebook page now and go to your actual profile page itself. Go to the right hand side or left hand side and go to view page source. And then we are searching for a term, and the term is in the text file called InitialChatFriends. Don't worry about this, it'll be in the description below, so you don't have to type this. So if I just go and find, put it in there, and there you go. And now we can click this, copy this. Don't copy the -2 and whatever, just highlight that, copy it, go back to your Facebook, go to the URL itself, remove all that garbage, paste this in, press enter, and this is the guy who viewed my profile last. So let's go on to another one, do it again, change it, copy paste. This is the person who viewed my profile before. Like so many people have viewed the profiles. It's gonna take ages to check who viewed it. I don't really need to do this, but if you want to do this, then go ahead, do this. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.